Let's talk about something truly massive happening across Europe, a $134 billion bet on the future of energy. This isn't just another infrastructure project, it's a bold, continent-wide movement that's reshaping the very foundation of how Europe will power its homes, industries, and transportation for generations to come. The star of this transformation? Hydrogen. Yes, the very same element you might remember from your high school chemistry class, now stepping into the spotlight as a clean, versatile fuel that could revolutionize everything from city grids to the cars we drive. Hydrogen is lightweight, abundant, and when used as fuel, its only emission is water vapor. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now, on a scale that's making the entire world sit up and take notice. Across the continent, cranes rise and workers swarm as new facilities spring up, each one a testament to Europe's commitment to a cleaner, greener future. Europe is declaring its intention to lead the green energy revolution, rewriting the rule book on how we build and power our world. By integrating hydrogen with solar and wind, the continent is creating a robust, flexible energy system that can adapt to the challenges of tomorrow. This massive investment signals not just the end of fossil fuel dependence, but the dawn of a cleaner, more sustainable era. Old coal and gas plants are being replaced by cutting-edge hydrogen hubs, marking a dramatic shift in Europe's energy landscape. This is more than just construction. It's about pioneering new technologies and innovative solutions that could redefine what's possible for the entire planet. Engineers and scientists are pushing boundaries, developing fuel cells, storage systems, and distribution networks that could set new global standards. While some countries are still debating the merits of clean energy, Europe is already rolling up its sleeves and building the future. Every day, new milestones are reached as teams work around the clock to bring these ambitious projects to life. The message is clear: the future isn't just coming, it's already here, and it's powered by hydrogen. From heavy machinery to public transport, hydrogen is quietly fueling a silent revolution. What's truly remarkable is the scale. This isn't a single project in one country, but a coordinated continental effort involving dozens of nations and hundreds of sites. Europe is uniting like never before to make this vision a reality. From the UK to Germany, France to Spain, engineers, scientists, and policymakers are joining forces, sharing expertise and resources to turn hydrogen from a dream into a daily reality. They're tackling climate change with ingenuity, determination, and a massive checkbook. Every blueprint, every investment is a step toward a cleaner, more resilient Europe. This is a story of vision, courage, and a continent determined to shape its own destiny. Leaders and innovators are coming together, united by a common goal, to secure a sustainable future for all. Europe's green giant is waking up, and the world is watching closely. Headlines everywhere are tracking this unprecedented transformation. So buckle up, we're about to witness how this hydrogen revolution is changing everything, from the way we commute to the way we think about energy itself. The stakes are high, but so is the potential for global impact. Europe's bold move could inspire the rest of the world to follow. Let's dive in and see how this green giant is set to reshape our planet's future. At the heart of the UK's ambitious infrastructure plans lies High Speed 2, or HS2, a colossal new railway line stretching from London all the way to the north of England. This isn't just another transport upgrade. It's a project that's reshaping the very future of how we build and power our world. On the surface, HS2 looks like a typical transport project, but if you dig a little deeper, you'll find it's actually a groundbreaking real-world laboratory for clean energy innovation. Here, engineers and workers are pioneering new ways to power construction. Traditionally, construction sites have relied heavily on diesel generators, which fill the air with pollution and contribute significantly to carbon emissions. The noise and fumes have long been accepted as the cost of progress, but HS2 has flipped the script, boldly introducing hydrogen power to the construction industry. This move marks a major shift in how large-scale projects can operate. Now, hydrogen fuel cells are powering everything from site lighting and welding equipment to the cabins where workers rest and plan their day. This isn't just a token gesture, it's a full-scale deployment of clean energy on an industrial level. This is far from a small-scale experiment. HS2 is a live, working demonstration that hydrogen can truly replace diesel, even on some of the world's largest and most demanding construction sites. The impact is clear: cleaner air, quieter operations, and a dramatic reduction in carbon emissions. Thousands of tons of carbon have already been saved, making a real difference for both workers and the environment. Thanks to these efforts, HS2 has set a new global benchmark for sustainable construction, earning recognition and awards for its commitment to the planet. But the story doesn't end with faster trains. HS2 is transforming the entire approach to building, showing that innovation and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. With bold thinking, creative engineering, and a willingness to challenge old habits, even the largest infrastructure projects can become a force for good, leading the way to a cleaner, greener future. HS2 stands as living proof that when innovation meets sustainability, the results can be truly transformative for industries everywhere. Across Europe, similar projects are gaining momentum, as countries look to the UK's example and push the boundaries of what's possible with hydrogen technology. The hydrogen revolution is no longer a distant dream, it's happening right now, changing the way we build, work, and power our world for generations to come. Why all the hype about hydrogen? It seems like everywhere you look, hydrogen is being talked about as the next big thing in clean energy. But what makes it so special, and why are so many experts and governments betting on it for the future? The answer lies in simple chemistry. Hydrogen fuel cells combine hydrogen and oxygen to produce electricity, heat, and pure water. There's no smoke, no carbon emissions, and no harmful byproducts, just clean energy and water vapor. It's a process that's as elegant as it is efficient, and it's completely pollution-free. That's why hydrogen is the cleanest alternative for places where emissions really matter, like crowded cities, sensitive environments, and busy construction sites. It helps keep the air clear and the environment healthy, even in the most demanding locations. Hydrogen is also incredibly abundant. Investing in hydrogen means tapping into a resource that can be produced almost anywhere, offering true energy independence for regions like Europe that want to reduce reliance on imported fossil fuels. Enter GeoPura, a pioneering British company that's made hydrogen power simple, accessible, and reliable for everyone. They're leading the way in bringing hydrogen energy to real-world applications. Their hydrogen power unit, or HPU, is a modular plug-and-play box. Just drop it wherever you need power, and you're good to go. It's designed for maximum flexibility so it can be used in all kinds of locations, from remote sites to urban centers. There's no complex setup, no emissions, and no noise. Just clean electricity on demand, whenever and wherever you need it. It's a truly hassle-free solution for clean power. This approach is a real game changer, making clean energy practical and scalable for everything from film sets and outdoor events to massive construction projects and industrial operations. In the past, remote power meant relying on noisy, polluting diesel generators. Now, thanks to hydrogen, it's possible to have clean, quiet, and efficient energy, even in the most isolated locations. GeoPura's innovation enables large-scale deployment, powering major infrastructure projects like the HS2 rail line, and setting a new standard for sustainable construction. It's where cutting-edge science meets practical engineering, turning advanced technology into everyday solutions that work for people and the planet. The transition to clean energy doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With the right technology, it can be straightforward and stress-free. Sometimes it really is as easy as delivering a box, unpack, connect, and start powering your world with clean energy. The future of power is modular, mobile, and green, ready to go wherever it's needed, whenever it's needed. Hydrogen is ready for the big stage, powering everything from major events to the infrastructure of tomorrow, and proving that clean energy can be both powerful and practical. Every revolution needs visionaries and strong partnerships. GeoPura, the British innovator, cracked the code for user-friendly hydrogen power. Their HPUs are the backbone of the green transition on HS2, but they're not alone. Siemens, the German industrial giant, is their heavyweight partner. Siemens supplies the advanced fuel cell technology inside each HPU. This collaboration blends startup agility with industrial muscle, accelerating innovation. Siemens fuel cells are efficient and robust, perfect for tough construction sites. GeoPura integrates them into complete systems: hydrogen storage, power electronics, smart controls. Together, they're building not just products, but a whole ecosystem for green hydrogen. It's a blueprint for how industry leaders and disruptors can drive real change. Europe's hydrogen push is sending shockwaves across the Atlantic. While the US debates clean energy, Europe is investing $134 billion and moving fast. America's focus is still on fossil fuels and blue hydrogen, which relies on natural gas. Europe is all in on green hydrogen, made with renewables, Projects like HS2 are real-world showcases, not just pilot programs. The difference? Political will and massive public investment in Europe. This top-down support lets companies like GeoPura and Siemens scale quickly. Europe is challenging America's tech leadership in clean energy. The world is watching to see how the US will respond. The race for the future of energy is on. In France, geologists stumbled upon a game-changer, one of the world's largest deposits of natural or white hydrogen. This pure hydrogen trapped underground could make clean fuel cheap and abundant. The discovery rewrites the economics of hydrogen. No need for energy-intensive production. France's deposit could meet a huge chunk of Europe's energy needs. Now, a global hydrogen rush is on, with geologists searching for similar finds worldwide. Extracting and purifying white hydrogen is still in development, but the potential is enormous. Europe's lead in green hydrogen plus this natural jackpot strengthens its energy independence. A new industry could emerge based on clean homegrown fuel. Europe's position in the clean energy race just got even stronger. Of course, there are challenges. The $134 billion price tag is huge, and critics question if it's the best use of funds. Hydrogen is tricky to store and transport, and scaling up is a massive task. Most hydrogen today is still made from fossil fuels, so ramping up green production is essential. There are also efficiency debates. Some say batteries are better for certain uses. The hydrogen revolution faces real hurdles from cost to infrastructure, but these are the questions Europe is tackling head-on. The innovations on HS2 are sparking change far beyond railways. If you can power a huge construction site with hydrogen, what else is possible? Data centers, festivals, heavy vehicles. Hydrogen could power them all. For trucks, ships, and trains, hydrogen offers fast refueling and long range, where batteries struggle. Hydrogen can also store excess renewable energy, stabilizing the power grid. This could solve one of the biggest challenges of the green transition. The work by GeoPura and Siemens is building the tech and supply chains for this future. Hydrogen is key to decarbonizing tough sectors like industry and shipping. Europe's experiment is a crucial step toward a sustainable global economy. The ripple effects could transform how we fight climate change. Europe's $134 billion hydrogen project is more than a construction site. It's a bold vision for the future. By using HS2 as a test bed, Europe is accelerating hydrogen tech at breakneck speed. Companies like GeoPura and Siemens are turning science into practical solutions. The discovery of natural hydrogen in France adds even more potential. The road ahead is tough. Costs, technical hurdles, and debates remain. But this project proves progress is possible when we invest in big ideas. The technologies developed here could power trucks, ships, and factories worldwide. Europe is creating a blueprint for a hydrogen-powered economy. This is just the beginning, a new race toward a cleaner, more sustainable future. If Europe can dream this big, what's stopping the rest of the world?